Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I wanted to show you how to change the video quality on YouTube. So let's say you want to see a video and it's not looking very clear. I'm just gonna test this one out. So right here at the bottom right corner under settings, when you're watching the video, click on that and just make sure you have the highest quality level selected. Uh, Sometimes when you're watching the video, it may be in 360p, which doesn't look that great, or lower. We'll do 144. Yeah, that doesn't look very good at all. So make sure when you go to settings, when you're watching the video, you can select the quality and put it at the highest level possible. So 1080 is perfect. As you can see, it's nice and clear. You can also change the speed of the video, playback speed. If you select 1.25, you can see it's changing, it's slowing things down. Let's put it a little lower, 0.25. So this can change the speed of the video that you're watching. You can set it back to normal, or if you want to speed it up, 2 times speed. So just wanted to make a quick video. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.